You want to do a little bit more music while we got you corralled in the room here?
Okay. Let's see.
Two's not your limit, is it?
No, we know thousands of songs. I'm just trying to think of a song that would be appropriate. Okay, this is a surfing song, since there's so many surfers here in Santa Cruz.
We got that, and thankfully to the Hawaiians. Hawaiians introduced surfing to Santa Cruz.
Yeah, and then, years ago, I moved to the big Big Island to Maui, and there's a special place on Maui. They call it, the nickname is called Slaughterhouse, but the Hawaiian name for it is called...
And windmills.
And windmills, but the Hawaiian name of this place is called Punalau, so it's a secret surfing spot on the northern part of Maui. So here's a song called Punalau. Let's go.
Oh, I forget this song already.
Surfing song.
Did you write that?
Yeah, it's a original song. Yeah,
Cool.
yeah.
In fact, that song came off of our first album together called Ho'ilina, which is a Hawaiian Legacy album. And that was when I first started learning how to play ukulele. If you listen to that album, that was when I was first learning how to play. You can hear from that album to the next, you can hear the transition, and that was my learning period of learning how to become a musician and play gigs solo when Dad decided that he would go off and tour. So that album actually was the beginning of our music.
This is a Kahumoku family album. Yeah.
Well, we're here in the studio. This is KAPU-LP 104.7 FM. We are in Watsonville, California, and we are in the studio here with George Kahumoku Jr. and his son Keoki Kahumoku.
Aloha, you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.